If you've been in a car accident where you hit a fixed object, maybe a utility pole, a guardrail, a tree, or even a building, you might be thinking, well, I must be at fault, right? But the truth is, these types of accidents are often more complicated than they seem. There can be other factors at play, and in some cases, you may still have a valid claim for compensation. Hi, I'm Auger with Auger Auger Accident and Injury Lawyers. For more than 30 years, we've helped people across North Carolina navigate every kind of car accident, including single vehicle crashes involving fixed objects. These are often some of the most misunderstood cases, but they deserve just as much attention because injuries can be severe and the cause of the accident is not always as simple as it appears. Let's break it down. Maybe you swerved to avoid another driver who cut you off. Maybe there was a pothole or construction debris in the road. Maybe your brakes failed or your tire blew out because of a product defect. In any of these situations, you did not crash into a pole or barrier for no reason. Something caused it. And figuring out what caused it is a huge part of what we do as your legal team. These accidents can result in serious injuries, concussions, spinal injuries, broken bones, or internal trauma. And on top of that, you're now dealing with property damage, missed work, and possibly a totaled vehicle. Insurance companies often try to close these claims fast or deny them altogether, especially if it looks like a single car crash. But we look deeper. We investigate the road conditions, review surveillance footage, inspect the vehicle for mechanical issues, or even check for poor signage or lack of lighting that could have contributed to the accident. If another driver's reckless behavior forced you off the road, we'll work to identify them, yes, even if they didn't make contact with your car. And if your injuries were made worse by a vehicle defect or dangerous road condition, we'll go after the party responsible, whether it's the manufacturer or the city or state in charge of maintaining the road. The most important thing you can do after an accident like this is to document everything. Take photos of the scene, the object you struck, the position of your car, and anything around it, like skid marks or debris. Make note of weather conditions, nearby signs, and anything unusual. Get medical treatment right away and hold off giving recorded statements to the insurance company until you've talked with a lawyer. At Auger Auger, we've seen firsthand how complex these fixed object cases can get, and we know how to build a case that tells the full story, not just what's in the crash report. And with our A&A Zero Fee Guarantee, you won't pay anything unless we win your case. If you've been in a single vehicle crash and something doesn't sit right, give us a call or visit augerlaw.com to schedule your free consultation. Let's talk through what happened, look at the facts, and see how we can help you get back on track.